Welcome back to Car Look, the channel where we dive deep into the most exciting vehicles hitting the roads. Today, we have something truly unique to talk about, the 2026 John Deere Pickup. Yes, you heard that right. The iconic American brand known worldwide for its legendary tractors and farming equipment has officially entered the pickup truck market. And it's making quite a statement. So, what exactly is the John Deere Pickup? At its core, it's a tough, full-size utility truck designed with farmers, ranchers, and hard-working folks in mind. But John Deere didn't just slap their famous green and yellow logo on a regular truck. This is a machine engineered from the ground up to blend heavy-duty performance with modern driving comfort. Invented by the same company that has been serving the agricultural industry since 1837, the 2026 pickup is John Deere's answer to a growing demand for vehicles that can handle both fieldwork and family duties. It's a natural evolution, as more and more farmers and outdoor enthusiasts look for a pickup that can do it all while representing a brand they trust. The United States, of course, is the biggest market where this truck is expected to shine. John Deere's deep roots in rural America make it an instant favorite across states like Texas, Iowa, and Nebraska. But interestingly, the truck is also gaining traction in Canada and Australia, countries where agriculture and rugged terrain require vehicles with real muscle. As for popularity, early reports suggest that pre-orders have already exceeded initial expectations. Farmers are excited, outdoor lovers are curious, and even city folks are drawn to the bold new face in the pickup segment. Performance is where the 2026 John Deere Pickup really starts to turn heads. Powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering an impressive 420 horsepower, this truck doesn't just look tough, it's built to haul, tow, and conquer. There's also a diesel variant offering massive torque, perfect for those who need serious pulling power. And for the environmentally conscious, John Deere has rolled out a hybrid version that balances power with efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, the hybrid model offers up to 24 miles per gallon combined, a respectable figure for a full-size truck with these capabilities. The diesel delivers around 20 mpg, while the V8 comes in slightly lower at 18 mpg, but with unmatched grunt. When it comes to capabilities, this truck is a true workhorse. With a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds and a payload rating exceeding 3,000 pounds, it easily competes with the top dogs like Ford's F-Series and Chevy's Silverado. Off-road performance is another strong point, with an optional 4x4 package that includes skid plates, locking differentials, and a specialized suspension system designed to handle rough trails and muddy fields. Key features inside the 2026 John Deere Pickup include a 12-inch touchscreen with the latest infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster, and premium materials that nod to John Deere's agricultural heritage. There's even an available Work Command Center app that lets users monitor their equipment and schedule maintenance right from the truck's dashboard. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking all coming standard. Price-wise, John Deere has positioned its pickup competitively. The base model starts at around $49,000, while higher trims with added luxury and off-road packages can go up to $68,000. It's not the cheapest truck out there, but it offers a unique combination of brand loyalty, rugged performance, and practical features. So, what's the main selling point? It's simple, the 2026 John Deere Pickup is built for those who work hard and play harder. It brings the legendary durability of John Deere machinery to the pickup world while offering modern tech, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're towing equipment on the farm or heading out for a weekend adventure, this truck promises to deliver the goods. And with its growing popularity, don't be surprised if you start seeing a lot more green and yellow on the highways soon.